So I had someone ask me to cut a pin for them, and they don't have a pin press that I believe. I don't know. I'm going to send this out today. This is one of the conversion pins. These are the rolled end. The one with the red comes off, goes in the piston. If I can do this. There you go. So you basically press that into the piston, put your bearing in your rod, piston on the thing, through the other side into it, and your two clips on both sides of that, and you're good to go. I'll do a video quick how you could do it with a C-clamp if you don't have a piston press. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is take this red one from the inside and put it in here like so. And you're going to use one of these pins as a ramrod to push it in. I'll show you in a second. You do it like this, you can push it in with a C-clamp and get it seated up against the clip that you put in the piston. Alright, so after you get that fully seated up against the clip, you can take out that pin. Alright, and what you're going to do, put your bearing in, and you're going to put it in the piston like so. And you're going to slide this pin through. I can't do it one-handed, so give me 1 sec. Alright, so once you get it to there, you're going to take your C-clamp again and put it from here to here and push that pin in as far as you can go with the C-clamp up to this point. And then what you could do is take this as like a push rod and push it in the rest of the way so that you can get your clip in. And that's the only way I could think of doing it without a piston press, but that's basically the process of how you would get one in and out. And then you would take the clip out and you would push it from this side and the whole pin assembly would come out and the spacer would stay in place. So, but I use a piston pin press, a lot easier than a C-clamp, but that's the only way I could think of doing it with a C-clamp. So I hope that helps. I got your pin going out today, and good luck with it, and I hope it all works out well for you.